All right, so this is question 3 of the week for Math Counts handout, and it says, Jen finishes reading a book every 2 days, Ben every 5 days, and then Len every 7 days. So if they all started a new book on July 1st, the next date on which all 3 will start a new book is M/D, and then M plus D as their answer. So basically, what it's saying is first what we have to do is we have to find the date that all of them start a new book, and then we have to combine the month and the day to get our answer. But first, let's just try to figure out when will all of them start a new book at the same time. So Jen finishes reading a book every 2 days. So Jen will start a new book every 2 days. Ben will start a new book every 5 days, and Len will start a new book every 7 days. So for the amount of days that all of them will start a new book at the same time, well, it has to be a multiple of 2 because, well, Len starts a new book every 2 days. And then it also has to be a multiple of 5 because, that's when Ben starts his new book. And so also, by the same logic, it has to be a multiple of 7 because of Len. So the smallest multiple of 2, 5, and 7, what's that called? The least common multiple is just going to be 2 times 5 times 7 because all of them are prime and they don't share any common factors. So this right here is equal to 70. So in 70 days, all of them will start a new book at the same time. Now we have to find the actual date of that. And right now it's July 1st. So July, because that's the month they start reading in, is going to have 31 days. So we have 1, 2, 3, blah, 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 all the way until the 31st. So there are 31 days in July, but the first day doesn't count because that's when they all start reading. So on that day, they're all going to be starting a book at the same time. And the question is asking for it the next time they all start a book on the same time. So we have 30 days in July because we're not counting that first day. In August, there's going to be 31 days again. And this time, we're going to count all of them. They're reading throughout all of them, not at the same time. And so there's 31. So by the time September rolls around, they've already been 30 plus 31 days. It's already been 61 days, okay? So if there are 70 days until they all start a book at the same time again, they've been through 61 of those. That means on the 9th day of September, that's when they'll next all start a book at the same time again. So this date is, September is the 9th month, so the date is going to be 9/9. And so if we add these numbers up, the month and the day up, like the question asks us to, our answer is 9 plus 9, or 18.